So why 2110 is so important in so complex? Today, as I said, there are more and more streams that are requested. The quality of the signal is getting bigger and bigger. We need to support 4K. We need to support high quality video streams, which is consuming a lot of bandwidth. So we must be able to manage stream with high density, because when we are talking about 2110, we are just at the playout, so at the output of the camera, I will say. And of course, the stream is not compressed, so it's uncompressed stream. So we can find one stream which will be, for example, 10 gigs, so it's quite huge. So we need to have to support 10, 25, 100 gigs data streams. So we need to be able to have network card able also to support that. There is a black box effect comparing to SDI, because when we are coming from the broadcast world, SDI is simple. I put my cable on the computer and I can see the video. But on IP network, it's not the same, because there are a lot of things going to the IP network. So you need to use some tools to be able to visualize the content. You need to, in order to be able to monitor this content, so which makes complex on that. This is why monitoring 2110 is really necessary. Then, as IP networks, there are a lot of dependency because we are an IP network. We need to get good priority on the stream, because you can have packet loss, you can have timing errors. You need also to have strong hardware to support that.
There's someone asking, is it necessary to have 10 megahertz on one PPS source?
It's recommended. Actually, it depends. It only depends on my 2110 stream, but take into account that a simple 2110 stream, which I will say, and maybe one HD stream, it's already more than 1 gig. So if it's already more than 1 gig, you need to put a 10 gig card at minimum. Because if you put less 1 gig card, maybe with some SD stream, and we don't have a lot of SD stream, so you can try to pass, but you will saturate the Ethernet port. You can also combine. You can say, for example, I have one card with 4 1 gig inside. So if I join together, it's 4 gig, so I can try to play with that. But at least if you compare the cost, a 10 gig card is not today so expensive, and at least you have enough to transport few streams.